How to write a professional script for a YouTube video and key focus points. If you want to write a professional script for a YouTube video, you should consider the key factors that contribute to making your content engaging and valuable to your audience. Here are some important points to focus on. Choose a good topic. Your video's topic should be exciting and relevant to your target audience. Look for popular topics or issues that people in your niche are facing. Strong start. Begin the video with a strong introduction that captures viewers' attention and tells them what they'll gain from the content. Organization and structure. Organize the script well, with a clear introduction, main content, and conclusion. Valuable content. Ensure that the content provides real value and usefulness to your viewers. You may need to research and use reliable sources for accurate information. Clear and simple language. Use clear and simple language to communicate with your audience. Avoid complex language or unnecessary jargon. Clear links. If you're providing information from other sources or encouraging specific actions, such as subscribing to the channel or visiting a website, make these links clear. Use stories and examples. Stories and examples make the content more illustrative and help clarify points. Animations and images. If appropriate, use animations or images to illustrate concepts. Engage with the audience. Encourage interaction with viewers by asking questions or encouraging them to leave comments and likes. Consistency and promotion. Deliver content regularly and maintain good channel promotion to increase subscribers and viewers. Review and improvement. Before recording the final video, review the script and ensure a logical and understandable sequence. Delivery and voice guidance. If necessary, practice delivery and voice guidance to present the script clearly and engagingly. By focusing on these points, you can create a script that not only engages your audience, but also delivers value and enhances your YouTube channel's overall quality.